Welcome to Dr. Panda Restaurant. Oh, thank you. May I take your order? Oh, I'd like a pizza. Coming right up. Okay, what would you like now? Ooh, tomatoes sounds good. Okay, get you tomatoes. Ta-da! Ah. Mmm. 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 Tasty. All right, can I take your order now? Can I have a smoothie? Sure, coming right up. Sounds like a plan. Actually, okay, what would you like from the fridge? I'll have meat. Really? Actually, watermelon. Oh, okay, sounds good. I'll give you 3 watermelon. Okay, sounds good. There we go. Yummy. So delightful. All right, bye guys. See ya. See ya.